Got Master Tuner Mochi over here, about to tune an FC. You ready, man? Alright, so we're over at Lucky 7 Racing right now to use our dyno. And we're gonna end up tuning Angels FC. Angels FC. If he doesn't install it, don't install it again. And we built this car a while back, but it had some issues out where he broke his intercooler radiator at Grange trying to get in. So now with the new setup, we're about to just tune it. He wants 350, which fuck that. I don't do 350, so we're gonna give a little more without blowing it up. But yeah, it just came out of paint too, so it's really nice. It's supposed to be turning the computer on to tune the car, not being upside down. What are you doing? Turn the computer on. What you got, Royce?
Yogi Bears. Some Yogi?
So my dumbass wore cute socks today and it's raining and they're soaking. So Royce brought me some socks. You're not getting these back. They stink too.
Brand new.
They're used. These are brand used.
Oh, they're brand new. Look at them.
No, they smell.
Oh,
Smell it.
No, they smell good.
That's my finger. Ready to start tuning? Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is if you look at the idle, it keeps surging. So you have to adjust that really quickly right here in the future. This way the idle's gonna be at. Just got a little bit of gas there. And watch the automatic gas. So idle stops surging now, but if you look at here, you see I was marking 3% TPS. So I'm gonna go back over here now. And here, after I reset the TPS, I'm gonna turn it off real quick. So key on, you see it's 3 and 4%, and in wide open only reads to 87, so it has to be reset. So key on, teach it again so that way it learns, and it got to 0. But we see it still go, it's still not there. So now to go the other one, leave the throttle wide open and then press it so it reads it to 100, and that's it. So now we can start messing with the car. What I'm gonna do for the first pull is actually I'm gonna turn off the boost controller. I'm gonna turn all that off so I can run base pressure first, and then go back in and add the boost controller. That one we only did 3rd gear, and if you look right here, this number, we're at 11 pounds. So that pretty much tells me that his base pressure is 11 pounds of what he has in the spring. So now we can actually start messing with it without a boost controller. I did rev up only to 7,000 on that one, so I had to adjust a little more gas. It was running a little lean, went to 12. So add a little more gas and then do a pull. Right, Mochi? done a bunch of pulls now, and I recorded 3 of them that are back to back. And if you look at it, 359, 356, 359, 267, 268. So I mean, this thing is dialed in really hard at 11 pounds. So 11 pounds, 372 the wheels. Conservative is really good. We're gonna do one last pull just to see how it does, but we're mostly gonna leave it at that because right now the car's really rich. It's at 10 AFRs, so you could go out and beat on it and not fuck it up. We're gonna do one last pull. That's it. Alright, done with the tuning, and that's how you know you have a solid tune in an engine. Yeah. Alright, so we're done with this car. Car was consistent, 372 the wheels at 11 pounds, which is really nice. Next step is a little bit of street tuning at the track place. Not street tuning, but just like a little bit of tuning for transition and cruising at the track, and the car's good to go. But I mean, pretty impressive for an engine that I built so long ago, and it's still in an old ECU, but it's still ripping. Yeah, and this car was also the second oval piping that I ever did in a car. So it's vibrant oval piping with a Racing Beat universal muffler, and it sounds pretty sick. Do the trick, do the trick! Alright, so done tuning. Now we're heading back to the shop to keep working on cars. But we have a little cheat mode out here, which is tint the hell out of your windows so you can ride in the carpool lane. We're just Mochi in the car because the dyno is literally 40 minutes away from the shop. So right now you have to drive back all the way to the shop. But at least it's good news that it's raining finally in California. I literally haven't seen rain out here in like about 5 months. So that's pretty cool. So, free car wash for everybody. Mochi, you did great though. Thanks for tuning the car.